Alright, here we go with a Let's Go production. We got the big 55-inch TCL hung up with the wire covers, custom made. And this job right here, it is on the full motion, swivel, tilt. Go ahead and extend this up out of here. Just like that. Push this one. Everything is custom made on this job right here. The double side for the outlet. Change the cord. For it to reach all the way out there. Give us a call. We got it all. 682-239-1470. I am the plug. You are the demand. Well, let's go. Let's go.